On Panama's Caribbean coast, a hidden sanctuary has quietly waited, untouched by time, unseen by the world. Here, four rivers meet the sea. Life thrives in stillness, and something deeply transformational begins to emerge. BlueHaven is born from ancestral wisdom and a vision for global awakening. It's not just a destination, it's a living ecosystem where people, purpose, and place align. 4 immersive lodges for deep transformation. 6 villages for intentional living and creators seeking more. A town center where commerce, culture, and conservation converge. Every step regenerates value through rainforest protection, community partnership, and impact at scale. Strategically located at Panama's last untouched frontier, BlueHaven is a gateway to something larger than all of us. This isn't just travel or escape. It's about returning to what matters and co-creating what's next. A destination with purpose, a movement for the future. Your journey begins here.